Good morning, students. Let's continue chapter 9. Today's topic is exercise 9.5. Students, let's start the new method of differential equations. In this exercise, we will solve homogeneous differential equations. Okay, and you will learn through the questions about homogeneous differential equations. So, take the first question. Question is x square plus xy into dy is equal to x square plus y square into dx. Okay, the given equations dy upon dx is x square plus y square upon x square plus xy, which is a homogeneous differential equation. So how to know that the equation is homogeneous, linear or any other kind? So for this, if the power of both variables are same in numerator and in denominator, then this type of equation is homogeneous differential equation. Here see, if you take x square common in the numerator, so you will get, student, in bracket is 1 plus y square upon x square. Okay, and same from denominator, it is x square is common, so you will get 1 plus y upon x. Okay, now x square will cancel. So here see, in the numerator it is y square upon x square, means same power of x and y, and same in the denominator it is y upon x, so same power of y and x. This type of equation is known as homogeneous differential equation. Now solve this type of equation. So first put y is equal to vx and now differentiate this. You will get dy upon dx is equal to, here apply the product rule. Okay, so first we write as it is, derivative of x is 1, then put plus sign, x is as it is, now derivative of v, it is dv by dx. Okay, so now putting value of dy upon dx and y in equation first, you will get v plus x dv by dx is equal to, students, x square write as it is, and in place of y you have to write vx. So it is v square into x square, in the denominator it is x square plus vx square. Now simplify it. X square is common in numerator and denominator, it will be cancel. Okay, in the next step, x dv by dx write as it is and transfer this v. Here it is minus v, and now take LCM and solve it. You see that v square will cancel to v square and you will find here 1 minus v upon 1 plus v. And now separate the variables. There are two variables, x and v. Okay, so take term v on LHS and x on RHS. So you will get here 1 plus v upon 1 minus v, dv is equal to 1 upon x dx. Now integrating both sides. Okay, here put the integration sign. Okay, and now arrange the term on LHS. You will get it is minus 1 plus 2 upon 1 minus v dv, and on RHS it is integration of 1 upon x dx. Students, when you will solve this, you will find 1 plus v upon 1 minus v. Okay, it is only the arrangement of terms. Now integration of minus dv, it is minus v, and here it is 2 log mod of 1 minus v. Okay, it is minus here, so put this sign negative. On the RHS it is log mod of x, then minus log c. Okay, now put the value of v. v is equal to y upon x. Okay, so you will get minus y upon x minus 2 log mod of 1 minus y upon x is equal to log mod of x minus log c. And now simplify, apply the rules of logs. Okay, and finally you will get the answer. Here it is x minus y whole square is equal to cx e raised to minus y upon x. Okay, now let's solve question number 3. It is x minus y into dy minus x plus y into dx is equal to 0. First of all, students, find dy upon dx. So it is dy upon dx is equal to x plus y upon x minus y, which is a homogeneous differential equation. So now you have to put y is equal to vx, and so that dy upon dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Okay, now putting the values of dy upon dx and y in equation first. So you will get v plus x dv by dx is equal to x, right, as it is. In place of y it is vx upon x minus vx. Now student, x take common on RHS. So you will get here x will cancel, and here it is x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v upon 1 minus v and minus v. Transfer this v. Okay. So x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v minus v plus v square upon 1 minus v. Take LCM. Now see that v and minus v will cancel, and you will get here 1 plus v square upon 1 minus v, and now separate the variables. So it is 1 minus v upon 1 plus v square dv is equal to 1 upon x dx. Now integrating both sides. Okay. So now integration 1 upon v square dv minus 1 by 2 integration, here it is 2v upon 1 plus v square dv is equal to integration 1 upon x dx. It is the formula of tan inverse v. Okay, and here see 1 upon v square, it is in denominator, and in numerator it is 2v. It is the derivative of denominator. So you have to apply the log mod of 1 plus v square. Okay, and on the RHS it is log mod of x. Now substitute the value of v. V is equal to y upon x. So it is tan inverse y upon x minus 1 by 2 log 1 plus y square upon x square, and on the RHS write as it is. In the next step, tan inverse y upon x minus 1 by 2 log x square, take LCM. So you will get x square plus y square upon x square. On the RHS write as it is. In the next step, tan inverse y upon x minus 1 by 2 log x square plus y square, and then plus 1 by 2, it is log x square minus log x is equal to c. Here student, apply the property of log. Okay, log m by n, it is log m minus log n, but here it is minus, so that here it is plus. Okay, and now simplify. Finally you will get tan inverse y upon x minus 1 by 2 log x square plus y square is equal to c, which is required solution. It is known as general solution. Now student, let's solve question number 5. It is x square dy upon dx is equal to x square minus 2y square plus xy. First of all, always find dy upon dx. Okay, so here dy upon dx is equal to x square minus 2y square plus xy upon x square, which is a homogeneous differential equation. Now put y is equal to vx, so that dy upon dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Okay, so you will get v plus x dv by dx is equal to, here x square write as it is. In place of y you have to write vx, so it is minus 2v square x square plus vx square upon x square. Now student, x square take common. Okay, and here in the denominator it is x square, so x square will cancel. Okay, you will get x dv by dx is equal to 1 minus 2v square plus v, and transfer this v, it is minus v. Now v and v will cancel. So you will get 1 upon 1 minus 2v square dv is equal to 1 upon x dx. Now integrating both sides. So for integrating, put under root 2v is equal to t. So students, 2v square is equal to t square, and here derivative of this under root 2 dv is equal to dt. So dv is equal to, you will get 1 by root 2 into dt. Okay. Now the questions changes to 1 by root 2 integration dt by 1 minus t square is equal to integration 1 by x dx. Okay, and now apply the formula of integration. So it is 1 by root 2, write as it is 1 by 2a. Okay, here in place of a it is a 1. That's why it is 1 by 2 only. Then log mod of 1 plus t upon 1 minus t on RHS, it is log mod of x plus c. Now take value of t. T is equal to under root 2v. Okay, so in place of t write under root 2v, and in the next step in place of v it is y by x, and then take LCM. Okay, which is the required solution. Now let's solve question number 7. It is x cos y upon x plus y sin y upon x. Okay, into it is y dx is equal to y sin y upon x minus x cos y upon x into x dy. To solve this question, first of all find dy upon dx. Okay, so here dy upon dx is x cos y upon x plus y sin y upon x into y. In the denominator it is y sin y upon x minus x cos y upon x into x. Now put y is equal to vx, so that dy upon dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Okay, now putting the values of dy upon dx and y in equation first in this equation. Okay, so you will get, student, v plus x dv by dx is equal to x, right, as it is cos v plus vx sin v into vx. In the denominator it is vx sin v minus x cos v into x. Okay, and now simplify. You will get here x dv by dx is equal to cos v plus v sin v into v. Okay, and in the denominator it is v sin v minus cos v, then minus v. Now take LCM. Okay, and you see that v square sin v will cancel to minus v square sin v. Okay, so you will get 2v cos v upon v sin v minus cos v. Now separate the variables. Okay, so you will get, student, v sin v minus cos v upon v cos v into dv is equal to 2 by x dx. Now separate the terms. Okay, so here you will get v will cancel, sin v upon cos v it is tan v. Okay, then minus here cos will cancel, you will get 1 by v into dv. It is 2 by x dx. Now integrating both sides. Okay, integration of tan v, it is log mod of sec v minus log mod of v is equal to 2 log mod of x plus log c. Okay, and now substitute the value of v. So simplify this, student. Okay, you will get finally sec y upon x is equal to cxy, which is required solution.